Hello, and welcome to Donut Investment. This analysis is for Okta on NASDAQ as of 12th of July 2026, with a share price of $138. The full report is on donutchin.ca. A profitable cash-generative identity leader at a discount to its security peers, but fully valued after a big run, with Microsoft bundling chipping at its moat. A hold, not a chase. Quality scores 66. Okta runs the identity layer for thousands of organizations, converts around 30% of revenue into free cash flow, and carries net cash. Its share-based pay, a common worry for software names, sits under 20% of revenue and is falling, low enough that it does not trip our dilution gate. This is a solid, profitable business. The question is not quality, it is price and competition. Valuation scores 46. Fairly valued, not cheap. Okta looks inexpensive against other security names, but on its own cash flows, it sits in our full band after more than doubling off the low, and it trades above the average analyst target. So the reward for buying today is limited. You are paying up for a business whose growth has slowed to around 11%. That is a hold, a fine company, but the entry price does not offer much of an edge. The main competitive risk is Microsoft, which bundles its own identity product into deals customers are often already paying for. That pressures Okta's pricing and its switching cost advantage over time, and it is why we see the moat as slowly eroding rather than widening. There is genuine upside optionality in newer agent and machine identity products, but with the tape stretched and no entry condition met, the balance is a hold, watch, and look for a better price. Now, the other side of the ledger, full valuation, above the average analyst target, growth cooled to around 11%, Microsoft bundling pressures pricing and the moat, bear case $98, well below today. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 24% above today, the base case, the most likely, about 8%, and the bear case a fall of about 29%, so you are risking about 29 to make 24. So our call on Okta, on NASDAQ, hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Donut Investment at donutchin.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.